lovelies, welcome back. It's PP777 of course, and today, without further ado, I want to bring you something that I wanted to try for the longest time. I've seen this around and I said, well, it looks like it has a lot of benefits, so I definitely want to try new things. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Jade Roller. Okay, let me get into what the benefits are, and you can see why I'm so excited about it. It promotes blood circulation, eliminates dark circles, relaxes your muscles, reduces wrinkles and puffiness, and smooth your skin. And it's not very hard to do. You just have to massage your face with this Jade Roller. And you put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, and it gets cool, and it has a cooling effect on your skin, and it's going to tighten up stuff, and it's very easy to use. The small part you're going to use around your eyes. The large part you're going to use your forehead, your cheek area, your jawline, and your neck. Just as simple as that. Now it's up to you how many times you want to use it. Maybe you want to use it once or twice a day. I'm going to start with once a day, probably work up to twice a day. And I know that in the summertime, this is going to be so great because I just put it against my face and it feels so good, y'all. This is a stress reliever and a wrinkle reducer. And it's also drains toxins from this gland over here. I can't remember what the name of the gland is right now. I think it's the thoracic gland, and it drains out the toxins, which is great. So anyway, that is just a little short video on this apparatus. Okay, I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box. And if you have any comments about this, you want to learn more about this Jade Roller, I'm also going to leave in the description box the benefits and where you can purchase this Jade Roller. Okay, so don't forget to comment, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.